Hello everyone and welcome to another video, and today we are at Rugby Railway Station located on the West Coast Main Line, where you'll see services operated by London North Western Railway, Avanti West Coast, and, hopefully, some freight as well. And got to be honest, I am literally the only passenger on this station. Yes, everybody is at home because of the lockdown, but I am out because who gives a damn about COVID-19 anyways. Staying at home is boring. So I went out and I decided to do some train spotting here for a bit. Sorry, this is on my private server. So let's see what will turn up. Okay, first train of the day is a 390 Pendolino passing through working a service to Manchester Piccadilly. Alrighty, the next to arrive is the 0943 London North Western Railway Service to London Euston, formed of 35101, still in London Midland livery. Here comes another Pendo, going to London Euston. Okay, next train to arrive is the 0944, service to Birmingham New Street, formed of 8 coaches. I'll get the numbers after this train leaves. Which is going right now. Okay, now departing is 35101 working the 0943 to London Euston. So there goes that one. Now here comes a Class 90 freighter on the fast line. No idea where it's going. Okay, now departing is the 0944, service to Birmingham New Street, 35236 at the front. And 237 at the rear. Comes a triple pairs of 350 coming on the fast line, 35255 at the front, 245 in the middle, and 124 bringing up the rear. Quite rare seeing a 12 coach class 350 at Rugby. Thought they only go as far as Northampton. Another Pendolino came out of absolutely nowhere going to London Euston. Okay, next train to depart is the 0946 London North Western Railway Service to London Euston, formed of 35102. So next train to arrive is the 0948 London North Western Railway Service to Birmingham New Street, with 35235 at the front. Bringing up the rear is 35240. Okay, so didn't expecting this. We have 2 Class 350s working the 0948 to Birmingham New Street. First to depart is 35118 departing on Platform 1. And now departing on platform 2 is 350, 235 and 240. Dang nabbit, lag. Oh, it's okay now, at least it didn't disconnected me. Now passing through is a 390 Pendolino to London Euston. Okay, so now departing is the 0949 London North Western Railway service to London Euston, formed by 350-264. Now here comes another triple pairs of Class 350s on the fast line. 350-244 at the front, 244 in the middle, and 123 at the rear. Okay, next train arriving is the 0950 to Birmingham New Street, formed of 351-21.
Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Now coming is 2 southbound trains, one Avanti West Coast Pendo speeding through, and one London North Western Railway Class 350 operating the 0951 to London Euston.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Departing now is the 0950 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Then out of nowhere the Pendo passes through on a service to Liverpool Lime Street. So now departing is 350-262 working the 0951 service to London Euston. Now passing is a rather delayed Pendolino passing through towards Birmingham New Street. Okay, now passing is a Class 90 freighter, thinking that is going to Daventry. Oh hello there Class 350, you came out of nowhere. Now passing through is a Class 390 working a service to Chester. This will be hauled by a Class 57 at Crewe. Now departing is the 0954 London North Western service to Birmingham New Street operated by 35117. Alrighty, now passing through is 2 southbound trains, one freighter on the right and one Pendo on the left. This goes Class 9046 freighter to, probably Wembley, and the Pendo to Euston. Then another Class 350 just arrived on platform 2. Alright, now departing is 3:52:41, working the 10:00 hours, London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Alright, looks like my train is now arriving. This will be my train back to Birmingham now, operated by 3:52:33. Also working the 10:03. Alrighty, now time to get on board. Right now I'm on my train, now time to say bye-bye from Rugby, and time to go back to Birmingham now. It was fun train spotting here. Ooh, then another train has arrived. Definitely not my train. Okay, the door is closing and the train is now ready to leave. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye for now.